Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow grass in sand. Grass can grow pretty much anywhere, and sand is great because it has good drainage. But the problem with sand is there's not a lot of nutrition in it. So it's easy to grow grass, but it doesn't do well directly in the sand. But all you have to do is put 2, 3, 4 inches of composted soil or even some potting soil on top of the sand. And all of a sudden you have great soil and you can grow really good grass on it. So every spring and every fall, just put some potting soil or compost down on the areas where you want a new lawn and put lots of grass seed on it and water it really, really well. Rake it into the soil so that it really has a good area to grab onto. The sand underneath the compost is great because it's good drainage. So just put some of the grass seed right into the compost on top of that sand and add lots of water, and you can do it in the spring or the fall. Make sure you do it when the nights are warm, and the grass will grow instantly, and you will find that you can have a beautiful lawn even on sand.